This is actually called the Solaris 30-foot kit. But wait, all of the accessories in this bag will also fit the Altair. So if you're looking to get a nice big selection of feet all at once, because that's how you save money buying this stuff, feet and the accessories. So I'm not going to read them off to you because you can go back and look at this. You can also pull it up on Baby Lock's website. There we go. BLSAF. Oh, come on, focus. SAFT Anyway, it's called the 30 feet foot kit for the Solaris. Comes in the zipper bag, and it does have a shoulder strap for it. Okay. When you open it up, check it out. It's got all these pages, zippered pages for each compartment with different feet in it. So if you go to the front, what the other things you get before I show you the feet, you get a book. And you can see it says Solaris on it. All of this applies to the Altair as well, what's in this book, just so you know. You also get a whole sheet of snowman stickers. They fit all of Baby Lock's embroidery machines, the majority of them anyway, any that have the IQ designer built into it. But there's here on this first page, there are binding feet. Check it out. Bias binding foot, adjustable, and then a different bias binding foot. Think of quilt binding. Think of a binding around a neckline or the sleeves if you're into garments. Candle wicking foot, a braiding foot, the edge joining foot, double cording foot 4 to 6 millimeters, double cording foot 7 to 8 millimeters, the felling foot, the fringe looping foot, we did cover this one already, a hammer foot, a gathering foot, we covered that one already. There, and this has the open-toed sole for the digital dual feed foot. There we go. Okay. Open toe foot, 1/4 inch digital dual feed foot, stitch in the ditch dual feed foot. We're going to use this tonight. And then here are the quilting guides, which I've never demoed to y'all yet, for the digital dual feed foot. So that's how you can get like evenly spaced straight lines. We'll cover that one here in the very near future. And believe it or not, it actually comes with a regular walking foot, and it's really cool. I really dig this. It actually says, check it out, Baby Lock. Isn't that cool? Okay. I like that they're all in a zippered pouch. Each foot has its own pocket to live in. Then we have a purl and piping foot, a piping foot left, a mini piping foot, pin tuck feet, 3-groove pin tuck, 5-groove pin tuck. We're going to be covering those as well because I love me some good pin tucks. The roller foot, the sequin trim foot. Ooh, that sounds like fun. The zipper foot, the invisible zipper foot. Okay. And a Teflon zipper foot. I'll do a whole segment on zippers here in the near future. And there's the actual shoulder strap for the bag. And there's other storage inside of this satchel also. But tonight we are going to pull out